search for SQL Server installation. So we have a link, SQL Server downloads. Right click, open a new tab, cancel it. So we will download this free specialized edition. So click on it. So it's downloaded now. So show in folder and double click on it. Click on yes. If we see here, then there are three options. So first option is for basic installation. The default configuration got installed, and this one, the second one is custom installation, and the third one is download the SQL Server file. I am preferring this download media. I will download this SQL Server set of files, and later on, whenever I have time, then we can install it. So just click on it. So there are two options. You can download the ISO file or the compressed media file. So I will select this one, CAB. This file size is 1416 MB. So it will download it in this folder path. If you want to change, you can change it. So I'll just click on download. So it says start downloading. So it will get downloaded in a couple of minutes. It's depend on your internet speed. So it get downloaded in some time. So it's about to finish and the download is successful. So we will close it. Yes. Just double click on this exe file. It will export this SQL Server 2019. So this folder. If you are able to see, one more folder got created. So double click on this, the folder which we have just exported. So double click on it. So inside this we have setup.exe file. So just click on it. So click on yes. So just wait. So this is planning. So I have to install it. So just click on installation. So we have to select this first one, new SQL Server standalone installation. Click on it. So just select this first one. Click on next. Accept these terms and conditions. So we have to process all these steps one by one. So install set of files. So this is in progress. Ignore this Windows firewall warning and click on next. So this is feature selection. So which all features you want along with this SQL Server installation. So for now I'm selecting this database engine services. So if you want any other service like a machine learning service and language extension, so you can install according to your need. And where it get installed, it's get installed in C program files, Microsoft SQL Server. So click on next. So this is instance configuration. So by default the instance ID is MS SQL Server. So whatever instance ID you will configure, the same will append over here, MS SQL Server. So if you want, you can rename it. So you are able to see here, so whatever I have given the instance ID here, the same will you are able to see here. So for now I am keeping it as is. If you want, you can change, otherwise just keep it as is and click on next. Click on next. Database engine configuration. So there are two options to give. One is the Windows authentication mode, other one is the mixed mode. So I will keep it as mixed mode. So you can give the password over here. Add the current users. So current user got added. So click on next. So now the installation is ready. So just click on the install button, and the installation is in progress and it took some of the time to install. So now the installation is complete. SQL Server 2019 setup. We can close this now. So this is done. So if we see here, let's go to the C folder. So just go to the program and files, and you are able to see this Microsoft SQL Server. So we are able to see here our instance, MS SQL Server. So if we search here, SS MS, so it's not installed yet. So what we have to do, just go to this install SQL Server Management Tools. So now click on this SQL Server Management Tools. Once we click on this, it will redirect us to new URL. So from here we can download this SQL Server Management Studio. I will provide the link of this URL in the description box. So from here you can download this latest version. So I am downloading it. So click on it, show in folder. So just double click on it. So this SQL Server Management Studio got installed in program files and Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio 18. So just click on install. So installation is completed. So we can close it. So now if we go here and in program files 86, so if we are able to see here, this Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio just got installed. So just search for SSMS. So you are able to see here, this is available here now. Click on connect and we are able to connect now, and just click on new query. So I want to create new database. Create database name RDZenTech CID. So just execute it. So if we refresh here, so new database got created and we can create. So finally I'm recommending like all those files we can save. So just cut it from here and we can save in the software folder. So in future if we require to install the same software SQL Server in some other machine, so we can install it from here. SQL Server 2019 and we can save it.